Some of you already know me. Communication is my specialty. Developing students' communication skills is really my specialty. I'm so good communicator myself. And I know a good presentation. And I know how to help you improve your presentation skills. COVID-19 has changed our world. Government, big business, universities understand the value of the virtual world. So learning how to use cameras and microphones and whiteboards and PowerPoints to make good presentations will increase your value in your companies. And isn't that what you want? A better chance at a good job? So now I know the negative feedback about English, studying English in Japan. I know, I'm married, I have 3 children. I'm a veteran instructor in Kagoshima University, not just Kagoshima University. I've experience in high school and junior high school. So I know, and I have sympathy for you. But at the same time, in my study of how humans learn language, there is no person who can't develop second language skills. Every one of us can learn a second language. It's not magic. It is doable. My Japanese skill is so-so. But because I'm in the English world most of the time when I'm working, I teach English communication. You can't learn English if I'm speaking Japanese. And you know that. You know that. You may not say it because we're all human, and humans like the easy way. Right now, you're using a lot of energy trying to listen to me. Much more energy than you use listening to your native Japanese. But using that extra energy to try to understand me, to listen to me, makes new connections in your brain. And those connections stay. It is a win-win situation, ladies and gentlemen. And I talk with my experience. learning Japanese has made me a better English speaker. That is probably the point, the true point of our class, to help you improve your Japanese communication skills by focusing on a second language and returning to basic fundamentals, listening skills, and speaking skills. Improves pathways in your brain. And this is not just me making up stories or anything. I have a lot of recent scientific research about how humans learn. So follow my instructions. Work together in your project teams. Don't become a free rider. Free riders lose. You lose your chance to work as a group. I know this is second semester, you're third year students, so you are finally joining research laboratories, professors' laboratories. And that means you have extra work. I understand that. I am not a monster, but I want to do my job and help you improve your communication skills. So that's what we will do. Access Manaba. Road to projects. Project 1, team introduction. Find your team. Team A, Team B, Team C, Team D, Team E, Team F, Team G, Team H, Team I, TJ. Then, when you find your team, change your sign-in name. Do you see that my name has changed? I am now Z Professor Larkins. So, Mahilo, Akali, Kosuke, Kotaro, Mr. Kai, Kazuki, find your team. Put your team letter in front of your name. All right. So what I did, I taught the software where you belong. As long as you access Zoom using the same computer, everything will be okay. I can just automatically put you in your rooms. So what do I want to? Okay. Now, it didn't take as long as it has before. So, uh, ladies and gentlemen, it's your choice. You know, you listen to me or don't listen to me. But no, I'm married. I've grown up 3 children. I've helped them in their lives. They flew away. Well, 2 of them flew away. They're married. I know what I'm doing. I know I can improve your communication skills. But I don't have any magic power or alien power. Cooperation, following suggestions, following instructions. Example, let me share. So here is your first assignment, the first reading and writing assignment. So go man, good morning. I wrote this in the morning. You must read the article. This article, critical thinking requires critical reading. It does not matter. Critical thinking in Japanese, critical thinking in English, critical thinking in Korean requires critical reading skills. You must read the article and then submit a Word docx file that is an A4 page containing 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraph. How many sentences in each paragraph? 5-sentence paragraphs. It must be your original thinking. I use AI. Copy and paste are against the rules. Don't do it. Do your best. Do your best. I'm not saying make perfect English essays. No. Do your best effort. And be engineer, third-year engineering students. That means don't waste your time. If you really want to understand a certain word, sure, translate it. But if you rush to the translation dictionary, reading each word in each paragraph, you're tired. This is a reading assignment and then writing your opinion, what you think about the information that you could understand from the article. You are third-year students. This isn't junior high school or high school class. You are 20. So introduction, support paragraph, conclusion paragraph, introduction and conclusion, and 2 support paragraphs.